Hello friends, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to answer few of the question which you guys commented in my earlier videos regarding the EBS volume. So this is the daily hack, daily troubleshooting, or we can say the operation point of view, cloud operation point of view. Okay, so let me bring up the two questions which frequently asked many peoples. Okay, so the question or we can say scenario one, how much maximum EBS disk drive can be extend online and offline? Okay, so this is very interesting guys. I'm going to show you how we can do this online and offline. Okay, and the scenario two will be I have T2 medium instance. Can I extend my drive up to 20 TB? Okay, so this is also very interesting question. Okay, so let's see these two questions today. Okay, if you have any more questions about daily operations, please comment in the comment sections. Let me know which topics would you like an answer. I will try to make a video on those topics. Okay, so before starting our demo, our video, if you still not subscribe to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Okay, and if you like this video, then give one big thumbs up. Okay, so let's start. So let's see the first. How much maximum EBS disk drive can be extended online and offline? Okay, so let's see. Okay, so let's assume. Okay, I have one server. This is my demo server T2 Micro. Let me log in out here. Okay, so this is my T2 micro instance. Okay, so let's see what's the disk size here. I'm going to disk management. Okay, and okay, so you can see guys here. Okay, I have C drive which is 30 GB. It is by default, it is a free instance. Okay, so 30 GB is my size, and how much I can extend. Okay, so there are a few things which you need to be as a system administrator, as a cloud operation engineer, you need to understand. Okay, if you are going to extend the disk online or offline. Okay, so what's the preferred method? If you are going to add offline, okay, till you can add 2 TB. If you are going to extend online, you can add 2 TB. Okay, so the reason here you need to check the partition. Okay, so that is type. Okay, so let's go to the property. Okay, so right click here on the disk, go to properties, go to volumes, and see the partition style is what. If we have MBR or GPT. Okay, so this is very important. If you are going to extend online, okay, or offline, okay, if you have MBR partition master boot record, you can go ahead up to 2 TB. That is the maximum size. Okay, 2 TB you can go and extend. And if you want to extend more, okay, what you need to do, you need to convert this from MBR to GPT volume. I'm sure that you guys know, I'm assuming that you know the GPT. Okay, so let me show you out here. Okay, so you can see here convert to GPT disk. There is an option. There is basically coming a utility called MBR to GPT utility. Simply it's free version. Go to and download and just migrate your disk from MBR to GPT. Okay, and then you can go up more than 2 TB plus. Okay, that is advantage. Okay, so answer your question. Okay, so how much maximum EBS disk drive can be extend online? Okay, so and offline. Okay, so let's me type out here. If MBR partition, okay, MBR partition. If MBR partition, then it will go up to 2 TB, correct? Yeah. If you convert this to GPT, you can extend more. in offline. Okay, so this is what the limitation. Okay, so if you see, if you some guys you may ask have question. I have extra large instance. Why can't I go and extend like 10 TB or 15 TB? Okay, so it is not like that. It is the OS limitation also. Okay, if you have MBR partition, that is this is the OS limit. Okay, you can't go more than so and so numbers. Okay, so this is what technically proven. I had many issues like this in past where I struggle and then came to know like this. Okay, so yeah, so this is it is. Now let's move to the next question. I have T2 medium instance. Can I extend my drive up to 20 TB? Okay, so this is very interesting. So answer this question. Okay, the first question also matters. Okay, what is the partition? If it is a MBR, we can go up to 2. If it is GPT, we can go up to whatever it is, the size. But the question here, what is the limitation from the cloud perspective? Okay, the cloud means the AWS cloud or whichever cloud you may take. Okay, they have some certain limits. Okay, suppose your requirement is a 20 TB, you have T2 medium. Okay, they cannot extend up to 20 TB, right? And the maximum size will be difference. Okay, so your requirement plus AWS instance size, that's supposed to be match. For that, I have told many times you guys. Okay, try to use AWS calculator. Okay, so let's see here. Your instance is T. Okay, open the AWS calculator first of all. Okay, this is a URL. Go to Google and open the uh, calculator, then search your instance type. Okay, so here in this case, this person having T2 medium. Okay, so I have selected Windows instance, T2 medium. Okay, and let's go back and okay, select the size. So size we are 20 TB. Let me draw here 20 TB. Let's see what's happening in 20 TB. Okay, so let me enter 20. Okay, so you can see guys what maximum it's allow is maximum allowed 16 GB. Okay, so let me select here TB. You can see here storage amount can't be more than 16 TB. Okay, so this is TB actually 16384. It is GB, that means 16 TB. Okay, and let me select here GP3. Okay, now we were seeing on GP2. Let me go and select GP3 and let's see what is the amount I can extend. Okay, I have selected now GP3. I hope you guys know what is GP2 and GP3. I have told you guys, I have made a video multiple times. Okay, so after selecting GP3 also, if I want to extend 20 dB, 20 TB, I cannot go ahead because the AWS having limitations to this instance, the T2 medium instance, that it cannot go more than 16 TB. Okay, so similarly, if anyone, if you are on your production, anyone can come. I want to extend like this much. I want to extend like that much. Okay, so before doing any commitment, I will tell you guys. First of all, go to AWS calculator. Okay, any cloud you are using, go there and check that instance is capable or not. Based on that, take a decision. Okay, and tell them that boss, we can do maximum 16 TB. That is also we need GPT partition. MBR it is not possible. Okay, so give all those information and just make your life easy. Okay, so I have given you the scenario. I have given you the solution. What you can do, and I hope if you like this video, then give one big thumbs up and stay tuned in this channel for cloud operation daily hacks video, automation video, troubleshooting videos. okay, and show your some response, give add a comments and let me know which topics would you like to see the videos. I will try to make videos maximum whatever I have possible. Okay, so that's it for today. See you guys next week.